Here I have KRUGER MATZ Flow 5, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Scroll down and right here you need to find and select the backup and reset. Now select network settings reset, and this will reset all network settings including the Wi-Fi, cellular data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's choose reset settings. So reset all settings need to be confirmed, so let's tap reset settings again, and that's it. Network settings have been reset, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.